Hello, lovelies! In today's episode, I'm happy to share with you Longchamp Le Pliage, old versus the new version. Welcome to another episode of Longchamp Love. The iconic Longchamp Le Pliage Tote bag is one of the most popular bags in the world. The simplicity makes it easy to pair with almost any outfit and will never become outdated. The origami-style folding for easy storing and a practical travel bag makes it stand out against its competitors. Longchamp Le Pliage bags are well crafted, making them extremely sturdy, nearly indestructible to last for decades. The reason why we love Longchamp Le Pliage tote bags. Do you agree with me? Last time I shared with you my first Longchamp Le Pliage bag details bought by hubby in 2016. Here is the Longchamp Le Pliage in color Bilberry, the old version. Now I'm happy to own the new version in color candy to compare and share the details with you. Let's begin! Let's start with the leather flap. Longchamp uses Russian leather with embossed cowhide, the signature diamond pattern for the original classic Le Pliage tote bags. Although they are both made from the Russian leather, let's remember that no two leathers are alike, so they cannot be perfectly identical. The logo stamp and the button with logo remains the same on both the old and the new versions. The color of the thread is light beige or light cream. It is not white on both the bags. The button snap closure is a gold tone hardware, the same on both bags. But when you look at the back side of the button, you can see a difference. On the old model, on the top, original, at the bottom, PRYM 6/4B is written. Then on the new model, it says Longchamp and also Longchamp here at the bottom. Another detail difference is the button lock. On the old model, looks like this, lines like rays of the sun, while the new model is like a circle line. Now here are the leather chaps. On the old model, it is smaller compared to the new version, which now has bigger chaps, slightly bigger chaps. Here are the leather tabs, which they call the ears. You can see no difference. Here are the leather handles. The width of the handles is slightly wider compared to the old model. At the back of the leather flap, you can see some stamping, which says Longchamp Le Pliage Type S Modèle Déposé. This remains the same on both bags. Let's now proceed to the body of the bag. The body of the old Longchamp Le Pliage is made from virgin synthetic fibers called nylon. But since 2019, they replaced this with recycled nylon. These new Longchamp Le Pliage tote bags are now made from Econyl canvas, a certified recycled polyamide, commonly known as nylon or recycled nylon. This recycled polyamide comes from various sources, including fishing nets, rugs, carpets, and industrial waste. So that's good to know that Longchamp is becoming environmentally friendly. Even the size of the body of the new model is a bit larger compared to the old model. The zipper pull is in shiny gold tone hardware. And the logo is the same on both the old and the new version. The zippers are both in nylon as well. Let's see the inside part of the bag. The inside lining of a Longchamp Le Pliage bag may come in black, khaki, or white. My old Bilberry is in a dark shade, so the inside is black, while on my new candy is in a lighter shade, so it has a white interior lining. The inside pocket of the old version has one front inside pocket, while the new version has an upgrade. Aside from the inside front pocket, they have now added a bigger pocket on the inside back part. This is very useful because it is a bigger pocket. I think the phone would fit on this back area. This is probably the reason why they made the chaps a bit bigger. This is a very useful additional pocket to the original classic Longchamp Le Pliage bag, and I really appreciate that they have done this beautiful upgrade. And lastly, let's compare the inside tag. This is a tag of the old model, while this is a tag of the newer models. There you go! We have explored each detail of the bag and have compared the differences between the old versus the new versions of the Longchamp Le Pliage tote bags. I hope this video was informative, and if helpful to you, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Always thank God for each blessing. If you want to know what the fake bag looks like, Watch this video next.